That's Mamuka. Mamuka, Mamuka, no.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to Entertain Me Chic. So here is my elder sister who came to visit us, and of course we decided to make something for her since she was not around during the birthday party. So we just had to make some delicious Sunday rice for her, just for her to feel like she was part of the people who did this birthday celebration. For our new subscribers, we say welcome. This is Entertainment Chic. Do well to subscribe, comment, like and share my video. Thank you, chopkies. Hello. Please let me tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to Entertainment Chic.
Thank you. Are you enjoying your food? What's your name again? Yeah, sure. Help me tell my subscribers to please comment and like.
Please comment and like.
Thank you.